My name's Nicola. I'm in my third year with Qenos and I'm an electrical instrumentation apprentice. I enjoy that the work's constantly changing and evolving, like technology moves all the time, so there's constant upgrades and the work's never the same, so it keeps it interesting. Everybody knows I love my dog. I've got pictures all over my desk and constant stories and videos. I love to surf, love going down the coast, camping, just getting out adventuring. So a lot of people might not know, I actually moved up from a dairy farm in Victoria, so a country girl. It was a reasonably big adjustment, but I moved up with my dog, which I've had since I was 8, so that was a big help. Probably one of my favourite things has been the people I've met and the experience I've made along the way. It's been really good, I've enjoyed it.